slowly, he will stop before he kills anyone on the other side. So here he goes. He's up! He's down! And he's stopped. So Dan's going to go next. Here comes Dan, absolutely flat now. Third gear, complete commitment up. And he's stuck. Careful with the back line. You're stuck. It's stuck. Everything's going perfect. Right, you've got to get his feet back and throw his weight forward over the front. He'll be able to do it. Weight back. I've got an idea. Push it over. Okay. Right, no. Come on there now, seriously. Right, he says he wants some noise. He's got to do a big, we call this the something movement on the floor. It's hit right back and push forward. You can really get behind him now.
Come on.
Come on now.